Whether you're after the perfect red pout or a nude and sensible smile is something you adorn, lipstick is a huge part of all our lives. Here's everything you need to know before you buy another lipstick. What goes into our lipsticks ultimately goes into our bodies. So don't pretend like you've never consumed a little bit of lipstick along with your dinner. That's why it's all the more important that you pick brands that make their lipsticks with non-toxic and natural ingredients. Lead is the most dangerous and unfortunately the most common ingredient found in lipsticks. It may not say lead on the label, but it can be found in the product in small amounts. Look for organic brands that clearly state that they contain no chemicals. These lipsticks are usually comfortable and non-drying. Since they contain all natural ingredients, they are great for moisturizing your lips too. It may be time to toss out the super long-lasting liquid lipsticks and go the natural route. As much as we would love to use our favorite lipstick for years and years, we would strongly advise against that. An expired product is always bad news, but an expired lipstick, it could not only damage your lips but be toxic for your body too. The shelf life of any average lipstick would be 1 year. To make sure your lipstick survives without any kinks, store it in a cool and dry place. Heat and moisture only invite germs to breed. So as long as your lipstick is away from them, it's in the safe zone. If you can't trace back to when you bought the product, a good rule of thumb is to stop using your lipstick if the formula changes or if it starts to smell funny. Finding that one nude lipstick that perfectly complements your skin or finding the right red to beat all else can seem impossible. Matching your lipsticks according to their and your undertones can be extremely helpful. Here's a simple guide to finding the perfect nudes, reds and pinks for you. For warm undertones, look for brownish lipsticks that are on the red or orange side. For cool undertones, look for brownish lipsticks that are on the pink or maroon side. For warm undertones, look for red lipsticks that are on the orange or brown side. For cool undertones, look for red lipsticks with bluish undertones. For warm undertones, look for pink lipsticks that are mauve or on the brownish side. For cool undertones, look for pink lipsticks that are reddish or cool pinks. You could have the perfect non-toxic, non-expired, perfectly colored lipstick. But all that goes down the drain the minute you apply it onto dry and uneven lips. A lip prep routine that exfoliates and hydrates your skin will give you the smooth canvas you need. If you're not one to whip up DIYs at home, this exfoliation technique will be perfect for you. All you need is a soft muslin cloth and some almond oil. Apply some almond oil to your lips and add a few drops to your cloth as well. Scrub your lips gently with the cloth in circular motions. The cloth will help you get rid of dead skin while the almond oil moisturizes your lips. Another good practice is to always apply a lip balm before you apply your lipstick. This will keep your lips hydrated and plump. A long-lasting matte lipstick is what you may instinctively reach out for when you have a long night ahead of you. But even the best of the best need reapplying every 2 to 3 hours. What would be the best way to reapply your lipstick when you're outside? We're sorry, but the best way would be to completely remove and reapply your lipstick. All you need for this is to keep a makeup wipe handy. Remove your lipstick, add a little moisture and reapply. Here's all you need to know to have the perfect pout. Let us know in the comments below what's your favorite lipstick. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.